Bitcoin price today? What is the price of Bitcoin at current time? Here show you the live graph of Bitcoin, and you can see here is the live price of BTC. As you can see, here is 6 a.m. and the current price of BTC is almost it touched to $21,000. So if you see to the 3 a.m. or between 2 a.m. to 3 a.m. the price approximately down to too much low. And if we go to the deeply, and you can see here is the price is $209.23 at the time of 6:38 a.m. and the volume of $27.12 billion. So now we move to the market and see some other major things. If we move to the 7 days and see all the analytics, what the price is low and high in the time frame of 7 days. So you can also see here the current price of BTC is 21,216.19. So what is actual market cap here? So now we see the market cap. Yes. So at the current time, the market cap is almost you can say $405.09 billion, and the volume of 24 hours is $27.11 billion. So this is the condition of Bitcoin at the current time. If you want to see the latest updates related to Bitcoin and what changes are gone and what changes happen in BTC, you can subscribe our YouTube channel to see the latest updates and see what's going on in the market. So thanks for watching this video and see you next video. Take care and subscribe our YouTube channel for these latest updates.